Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create motivational shorts or videos in mass using the AI. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in this video, we are just going to use these two tools. We have the ChatGPT and we have this InVideo.io. So basically, let's just delete here and just go back. So make sure to go to nvideo.io and it will take you to the dashboard if you are logging into your account. Otherwise, you will need just to sign up to a new account and it will take you to your dashboard. So here in the ChatGPT, we will need just to generate some motivational speech or motivational scripts. You can do as you want on the prompt, and it's preferable to have like split it in phrases because we are just going to use it in the script. So here in our dashboard, we are just going to use AI text to video. We click here and basically we are just going to convert our scripts into engaging videos. So now we need just to search for any templates that you would like. For example, this one or whatever uh, the templates that you like, and we make it as a short. I'm going to make it as a short, use templates, and here you need just to add your scripts. And of course, it is like in sentences, we are just going to create scenes. For each sentence, it will be a scene for our video. So we're just waiting for our tool or for the InVideo to start creating this video, and you will have your video that will be uh, ready to be shared. And as you can see, now it's generating thumbnails, the scenes, and everything with the lyrics and all for your shorts or video. So as you can see, if I'm starting our scene, we have this video now. And basically we can just go back and you can start editing your scenes and everything by clicking on the editor, and you can see all the story block audio. You can choose your own audio, you can add some voiceover, and you can start adding your own scenes, etc. And basically this is the video in real life, or after the final results you can see all the scripts here. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.